Welcome aboard the Stellarvator. In just a few moments, you'll be on your way up to Space 220 aboard the Centauri Space Station. Enjoy the ride.
SV2, you are cleared for launch. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarvator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
SV2, we're on our final approach. Roger that.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SV2 cleared for arrival.
Gravity generator active. Airlock activated.
Docking complete.
You follow me this way?